Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making an egg salad. So let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using 15 eggs, I will be using 1/4 cup of red onion, and 1.5 cup of mayonnaise. I will also be using 1/2 cup of celery that's already chopped. I will be using 1/4 cup of diced dill pickles. I will also be using 1 tablespoon of minced fresh dill. We will also need black pepper to taste. Two tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And salt to taste as well. We will also be using 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, we will also need 12 cups of water for when we're boiling the eggs. I will also be using some ice water. This will be for when the eggs are cooked. It will help the eggs stop the cooking process. Alright, now very carefully, I'm going to start placing the eggs into the pot of boiling water. Please make sure that you're very careful when placing them down because they can very easily break. Alright, and now we're going to let them boil for 15 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes and now we're going to take out the eggs and put them in the ice water. Okay, now I'm going to start placing the eggs into the ice water. we're going to leave the eggs here for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to start taking the shells off of them. Okay, the eggs are cooled down now, and now we're going to start peeling the eggs. Alright guys, here I have all of the eggs peeled, and now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, here I'm going to start cutting the eggs. We're going to dice them. Okay, I'm finished dicing the eggs, and now in a separate bowl we're going to add in the mayonnaise. We're also going to be adding in the Dijon mustard and the lemon juice. And we're going to mix them well. We did it in a separate bowl so that we don't break the eggs while trying to mix it. Okay guys, we mixed it very well and this is how it should look. And now we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, here we're going to add in the diced onion, the diced celery, and the diced pickles. And gently we're going to mix well. And now we're going to add in the mixture that we made earlier. And we're going to mix gently as well. And we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. We're also going to add in the minced fresh dill. Alright guys, our egg salad is ready. This is one of those meals that varies a lot the way you can eat it and when you can eat it as well. It has many options. You can eat it with bread to make a sandwich or maybe with crackers for a nice family night. And you can eat it anytime you like. It's a super fast snack and it is also very healthy. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed coming with me to prepare this delicious recipe. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it guys, and I'll see you guys next time.